This ancestral Pueblo storage jar was made at a time when there was a period of drought and where it was important for the ancestral Pueblo people to begin storing as much food stuff as they could in anticipation of a drought. Perhaps some corn, beans, dried meats, breads, different berries. They are still used today in some of the pueblos in New Mexico and in Arizona. Rain and clouds are key to the survival of our people. The potter probably, had a prayer for rain. And so clouds would be the black, and then the lines represent rain. What looks like a hand symbol in the center that might be the maker's signature. In Acoma culture, we referred to these pots as gutiamunishi. Gutiamunishi is a reference to the ancient people or the original people. So when we utilize and recreate these forms and these designs today, we are paying tribute to our ancestors.